everyone, welcome back. If you want to change your payment method in SHEIN, it is easy to manage. First, open the SHEIN app and go to your account settings. Click on the settings option in the top right corner. And then what you're going to do is tap on the payment methods or my payment options to view your saved option. Then add a new card or payment method if needed. When placing an order, select your preferred payment method at checkout. If an order is already placed, payment methods cannot be changed for that order, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.